In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove order history Fiverr. If you're looking to clean up your Fiverr account so past orders don't crowd your main view, this quick walkthrough will help. While Fiverr doesn't let you permanently delete orders from your account, you can hide them from your main list by archiving. Archiving keeps your workspace tidy without losing access to important details later. Start by heading to fiverr.com and signing in to your account. Make sure you're on the correct profile you use for your purchases. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the page and click your profile picture. This opens your account menu with options related to your activity. From that menu, choose Orders. This takes you to a page that lists everything you've ordered. Here, locate the completed order you want to remove from your main view. Archiving typically applies to completed orders, and in some cases canceled ones, so focus on those rather than active orders. If you're not sure which one you want to hide, use the order titles, delivery dates, or seller names as a guide to identify the right item. Next, look for the three dots, sometimes shown as a small menu icon to the right of the order. If you see it, click it to open the action menu. If that icon isn't visible, it usually means the order isn't eligible for archiving yet, or the interface you're using doesn't offer that option for that specific order. From the action menu, select Archive. As soon as you do, Fiverr moves that order into your archived orders. It will no longer appear in your main order list, which helps you focus on what's current. This change is immediate and only affects what you see. It doesn't delete any data or affect your ratings or the seller's profile. You can still access archived orders anytime. This is helpful if you need to download files again, reference requirements, or review delivery notes in the future. Archiving is simply a way to declutter without losing your records. It also doesn't notify anyone. It's a private, account-level organization tool. If you have multiple completed orders to clean up, repeat the same process for each one. Open the order list, find the completed item, click the three dots, and choose Archive. In just a few minutes, your main orders page will feel much more streamlined. That's it. You've learned how to hide old Fiverr orders from your main list by archiving them, keeping your workspace organized while preserving access whenever you need it.